my cart, we got the super cap gun right here. Pickup. This is from Fiesta Dollar, San Antonio, Texas. Yeah, it's got the James Bond on there. Let's go ahead and open this up. No back, just the bond. That's all it is. So yeah, it's like very cheap plastic. Very cheap, very light. Of course, we got the orange tip, and it doesn't have instructions on how to load it. But let's see, what is this? Oh. Okay, so this is a weird system. A plastic system. Never seen this before. There's the barrel, or the what do you call it? Chamber. There's the cap cylinder right there. Little gauges for the cap. So you get the caps and you put them in there. You load it like this. If you're watching this, kids, remember to get your parents' permission before you do cap guns. It slides in there just like this. You gotta wear protective glasses when you're using these cap guns, and I would say rubber gloves, because you get a lot of that sediment, that powder from the cap sometimes, and it clicks in just nicely like that. So you push this button right here. Pops open. Just gotta be careful. Don't let it jump out like how it just happened earlier. There's a cylinder in there. Yeah. Click it down. There you go. Be capping. There's it without the caps. Now, I didn't get to pick up any caps, but I know where to pick some up. So we're gonna pick some up tomorrow. Saturday, My Carts Vlogs. So yeah, we'll be right back. My Carts Vlogs and My Carts Toys. Thanks for watching. My Carts Vlogs. Okay, we're out here, Casey Dollar. My Carts Vlogs. Saturday, vlogging it for you guys. Let's go get some caps. Need some caps for my super cap gun. Get these caps. Head back to the house and just check them out. Let's pop some caps, guys. Pop some caps. Cap City. Cap. Out here smoking first, because you can't vape nowhere. It's like everyone in the world's scared of this. It's almost like a gun itself. This, you just walk around with this, people get scared. Give me your money, I'll vape on you. Alright guys, go inside. Vlogs, the real Mike Cart. We're out here, pop trunk pickups. Pop trunk, got the trunk popped. Pop trunk pickups. Thanks for subscribing. This is a new thing I'm doing. New type. Pop trunk pickups. Pop trunk pickups. We're at KC Dollar, San Antonio, Texas. Like a little inside indoor flea market. Here's my pickups. Got a hamburger bag. Hamburger print bag. That'll be pretty fun. Put my lunch in there. Hamburger print bag. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna use this to put my stuff in there. Check that out. Yeah, okay, this has a nice inside pocket. You can see that. Inside pocket zipper. First pickup is a t-shirt from KC Dollar. Check this shit out. Got the Pharaoh, black and white, skulls. Just my style. Right? That's the first pickup. Second, I got this mask. It just fell in the bag. I don't know where it came from. I think it was like attached to one of these items. And I guess they charged me for it, but it was only $1, so the mask. What else fell in here? That's just some toiletries. Oh, okay, most important, why we came out here is for the super cap gun video, and I picked up some caps. I hope they fit. This is an 8-shot. I didn't even check if it was an 8 or, I think it's universal, right? But here's some caps. Got 4 packs. I hope they fit. Like, that's one thing I didn't think about, if they're gonna fit or not. But if not, we can always clip them and like fit it in there. So yeah, stay tuned for that video before I put them away. 4 caps, 50 cents each. And the last pickup, oh wait, one more before this one, before the real cool one. Well, these are cool. This is a real cool. This is a Hunsun airsoft pistols. Got 2 of them right here. Air sport gun. So we'll try these out. Unbox those. And all the unboxings, I'll do it later on tonight. Yeah, you're watching Mike Cart's vlogs, pop trunk pickups. We're here on the west side, San Antonio. Hope you guys are having a good weekend out there. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. And this is the best pickup I got from this little KC Dollar out here. We got the Streetscape cosmetics store, and it's a knockoff Lego set right here. It's like Chinese. It says mini cityscape. So I thought this looked just like FREDDY FAZ Bears Pizza. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna build this on Mike Cart's Toys, one of Mike Cart's Toys uploads. And this is gonna be my FREDDY FAZ Bears Pizza, the front of the build that I'm doing right now. And this is all. It looks pretty awesome. It matches up to the color scheme and everything. Just need some of the what do you call it? The checkerboard, and maybe I can add some checkerboard somehow, because I do have some checkerboard Lego. And yeah, we'll try to fit it together. And then on the reverse side, on the inside, will be the rest of the FREDDY FAZ Bears Pizza store. And I'm gonna need some more blocks to complete this, but it's coming along nicely. And thanks for watching those videos. I got another Five Nights at Freddy's video coming up pretty soon. And thanks for watching Pop Trunk Pickups, bro. Also, one more thing, they sell Five Nights at Freddy's stickers, so I'll probably get some Five Nights at Freddy's stickers put them on the inside and on the outside and on the glass to make it look a little bit more authentic. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Paperboy Entertainment. I'm out.